I come specifically to the US tariffs, I know in the short term it is certainly a challenge. We'll have to see what happens in the short term. But I'm sure these issues will get settled down. Specifically, if I talk about US, last year we, as JCB, exported more than 10,000 machines to US. So certainly it is a challenge from that point of view. But I'm absolutely confident that some solution will be found. As you know, the construction equipment industry today is the third largest in the world. And we believe in next 5 years it should grow to the second largest. If I come specifically to the US tariffs, I know in the short term it is certainly a challenge. We'll have to see what happens in the short term. But I'm sure these issues will get settled down in the next few months. And then we should see more opportunities for us. Specifically, if I talk about US, last year we, as JCB, exported more than 10,000 machines to US. So certainly it is a challenge from that point of view. But I'm absolutely confident that some solution will be found. And we may have to go through a bit of short-term pain, but sometimes going through short-term pain is positive, considering the long-term vision of growth that we have.
Sir, do you have any assessment how big is the impact on this industry?
No, I think the tariffs have just been announced. So we need to look at the lines and bylines, because to USA we not only export machines, we also export components. And not only JCB but many of our partners in the industry, they export components, automotive components, and we'll need to assess the exact impact on each of those segments of our business.
Sir, as you said that JCB has exported to US, and so what is now the evolving situation about your export in US?
So presently we are just watching the tariff conditions and their final applicability and the impact. But I want to say something very positive. We have got very positive response on the machines which we already have exported. And we believe that those machines are in the hands of our customers. They are like ambassadors from India. And they are giving fantastic experience to a customer. So the customers' desire to have machines from India in the future, I'm sure, will only continue. So as this issue gets settled down, the market is there for us.
So what inspired you to take on the leadership role at ICMA, and what makes you more excited about this new position?
A very good question. JCB is in India since like 1979. And JCB has actually contributed immensely to the development of the construction equipment industry in India. And not only for the Indian market, but also one of the largest exporters of machines produced in India. The Indian Construction Equipment Association is a nodal agency for the industry. And as a part of the industry, also playing a major role in the industry, I think it's very natural for JCB to take leadership position, because there's so much of interaction with the government at the policy level that somebody needs to do, and that is where JCB wants to contribute. Particularly now that we are moving towards new alternate fuel, whether it is through electricity, whether it's through hydrogen, and we believe that it's a very important point in the history of the construction equipment industry, and I feel very privileged to be given the opportunity to lead the industry during this time.
How do you see ICMA contributing to sustainable and innovative growth in India's construction equipment industry in the coming years?
So ICMA, particularly our technical panel, engages very closely, whether it is with the Ministry of Roads and Transport or with the MHI Ministry, particularly in the formulation of various policies. And in last few years, we have worked very closely with the government as they have created rules for use of alternate fuel. We also connected with the government when the new emission norms were being set. So all of this, the industry has the experience which we share with the government, and we are very pleased that many of our suggestions have been incorporated in some of the new rules and legislations that have been rolled out.
So what does mean this joint statement issued yesterday by GAIS on decarbonization?
By sorry?
By GAIS, Global Alliance for Construction Joint Statement.
I would not comment on statements from individual companies,